Ever wondered how Grand Theft Auto pulls off those gravity-defying stunts and explosive spectacles? Well, buckle up. Because we're about to take a high-speed joyride into the world of gaming physics. In the universe of Grand Theft Auto, the laws of physics aren't just guidelines, they're the secret ingredients that make those breathtaking stunts possible. Imagine you're behind the wheel of a souped-up sports car, foot on the gas, and ahead lies a ramp leading straight into the sky. As you accelerate, two crucial forces come into play: gravity pulling you down and momentum propelling you forward. The game's physics engine calculates these forces, and voila, you're airborne, soaring over the city in a glorious display of simulated mayhem. But that's not all. Friction 2 plays a pivotal role in the GTA universe. Whether you're screeching around a corner in a high-speed chase or skidding to a halt to avoid an unexpected pedestrian, it's friction between your tires and the road that keeps you grounded. Without it, every turn would send you spinning out of control. Yet, while the game draws on real-world physics, it also knows when to bend the rules for the sake of fun. In the real world, for instance, a car crash at high speed would be a disaster. But in the hyper-real world of GTA, it's an opportunity for spectacular, slow-motion carnage. The game exaggerates the physics, amplifying the action and the drama. And what about those fantastical elements like jetpacks and weaponized vehicles? They might seem like pure science fiction, but even they're grounded in physics. Jetpacks, for example, work on the principle of Newton's third law. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. The jetpack's downward thrust lifts you up, and off you go, defying gravity in true GTA style. So while the stunts in GTA might defy real-world physics, they're all part of the game's charm, blending science and fiction for maximum mayhem. Have you ever been amazed by the unpredictable behavior of NPC drivers in GTA? Well, that's all thanks to the intricate AI driving system. You see, the game uses a combination of pathfinding algorithms and behavioral scripts to create the illusion of a bustling, vibrant city. Let's start with pathfinding algorithms. These are mathematical formulas that help the NPC drivers navigate around the city. They calculate the shortest and most efficient route from point A to point B, taking into account obstacles like buildings, other cars, and even your reckless driving. Now, on to behavioral scripts. These are pre-written codes that dictate how the NPC drivers react in different situations. Whether they freak out and drive off the road when they hear gunshots, or swerve wildly to avoid hitting you when you step onto the street, these scripts are what make the city feel alive. The AI in GTA isn't just about challenging the player, it's about creating a world that feels alive. Ever wonder why you feel so compelled to keep playing GTA even when you've completed all the missions? Well, it's not just about the thrill of the chase or the satisfaction of a mission well done. It's also about the lure of the game's open-world gameplay and its simulated economy. In GTA, the world is your oyster and you're free to explore and interact with it as you please. This freedom of choice, or rather the illusion of it, is a powerful psychological tool that keeps you hooked. But that's not all. The game also uses a sophisticated reward system to keep you engaged. Completing missions, causing mayhem, or even just driving around can earn you virtual money. This in-game currency, much like real money, is subject to supply and demand and the value of virtual goods. So you see, GTA doesn't just simulate crime, it simulates an entire economy and psychological experience. Ever wonder how GTA makes the impossible seem possible? The secret sauce lies in the game's artful blend of real-world physics and a hearty dash of the fantastical. Take the jetpacks, for instance. In reality, the technology isn't quite there yet to let us soar through the sky with the ease of a bird, but in the world of GTA, jetpacks allow you to zoom across the cityscape, defying gravity, and delivering a thrilling gaming experience. Then there are the weaponized vehicles. These machines of mayhem, while they could technically exist, are thankfully not a part of our everyday reality. Yet the game takes the concept and runs with it, creating over-the-top action that keeps players on the edge of their seats. These elements, while bending the laws of science, serve to ramp up the fun factor. Because in the end, that's what GTA is all about. In the world of GTA, science is more about enabling fun than adhering to reality. Hope you enjoy playing GTA 6 when it comes out in 2025, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to SciSips.